Hello guys, how you doing? I do hope this finds you well. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sheba. Thank you for passing by. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. So in today's video, I'm going to show you briefly how you can use Wondershare Filmora. I'm using Filmora 9 to screen record your content, because previously Microsoft had a screen recorder for PC, and then I don't know, it suddenly disappeared. I think they got rid of it, so it's really hard to find the right screen recorder for your videos, especially if you are screen recording your PC. Now I'm using the same Wondershare Filmora to record this, so some steps might be skipped, but I'll detail them out. So the first thing you do is open Filmora, and once you open it, go to File, Record Media. Then you can choose either record PC screen or webcam or your voiceover. But then you can also do it here in the project. When the project media is selected, you can either import or record. If you click this drop down arrow, it gives you the same options. So once you do that, click on that, and then this pop-up window will come up. This interface will be active. At the moment it's grayed out because I'm recording, but once you click on that, these three interfaces or these three tabs will be active. So you can choose your settings. The first one, either your video will be full screen. You'll also have two other options, either to custom it or the size that you want, and then this will choose your default recording device for your audio. And also this, you can either use a microphone if you have one, an external microphone, or the internal one. I'm using the internal one because I don't have an external microphone. And then this is the speaker that you'll use to listen to your audio once you're done recording. And once you've selected the right inputs for this, you can also go to these extra settings where you want to save your files, the rate, the quality, and all that. And then you can choose the mouse type that you want. I've selected click so that anytime I click on something, it will be part of my audio, and then it gives you the guidelines if you want to stop, and also if you want to pause, you can click on the keys on your keyboard. And once you're satisfied with that, then go here and click record. It will record whatever you're doing on your screen, whether it's your browser, a software that you're working on, or a game that you're playing, anything that you're doing on your screen. And once you're done, click on either of these, F9 to stop recording, F10 to pause or resume your recording. And once you're done, it will save to the specific place that you selected when you began, and then you can go there. Actually, if you're using Filmora to edit your videos, then once you're done recording, you'll find the file in Filmora itself, in the media section of Filmora, and then from there you can just edit your videos and you'll be good to go. And I do hope this was helpful. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next video.